updated awning setup video with one person since I'm out here solo camping. So first undo the straps. Unroll. I have to keep the vertical poles in here at the correct length already. And I'll just get the horizontal poles out. I got them zip tied up here and just pull them out. So I got extended out with the holes. I'm just going to get the vertical poles and stick them in and it's set up. It's pretty windy, so I'm going to put the stakes in today so it doesn't blow over. I'll do that. Stakes out and them in the ground, so I'll do a walk around video here in a second. I got the awning completely set up with the guy lines and everything. Just got them ran from the top down to some stakes in the ground. I wanted to show you all these new Bimini hinges I got. They're for boat tops. That's what the horizontal pole's attached to now, so I don't have to use my old conduit connector, which was harder to use, especially by yourself. So I got that now, so it makes it a lot easier to set up. And since it's going to rain tonight and tomorrow, I went ahead and set up some tarps so I can have my window vents open. These are actually gutter guards from Lowe's. They're like $3 a piece. Just cut them to size. And so I put a tarp over the truck so I can keep those open, so rain doesn't run down them from the roof. So I got this big tarp on top. I just have it clamped and zip tied on the driver's side. Then I got these bungee cords down here on this side to my wheel and rock slider. And on the back, I learned this from Colorado Backcountry Adventures. He did something like this on his Tacoma, where he has a tarp clamped up at the top and then has bungee cords running down. And I need a bigger tarp, but this one's gonna work decent. So I just got it clamped up there at the top, and I got bungee cord to these trees right here. So I think I'm gonna be pretty good tomorrow in the rain. Here's my table set up here. It folds up when I close it with this whatever that's called, bolt latch. And then keep my my stove over here. You could cook on it. I have cooked it on it right here, but I'm afraid it might catch the truck on fire, so I don't do that very often. And then on this side, I got my air hose from my compressor and everything. Bunch of tools, and got my floor jack back in there. Bunch of spare parts and stuff. But yeah, here's the sleeping platform for one person. I just folded up my thermarest so I can have all this workspace here. And then we got the cooler right there, and recovery gears there. I usually have it where I can get it from the driver's seat, but since I'm solo, I don't really need to do that. Hopefully I won't get stuck. And got other junk in there. So yeah, that's the setup.